In this video, I would like to talk about discrete employee monitoring, how to live screen view on company PCs, on business computers without interrupting the work. So you want insight into screens, but you don't want to pop up or employees being disturbed all the time. In this video, I'll show you how live monitoring runs quietly in the background on company computers. Employees keep working normally. You see their current screen in real time. And very important, please always check your local laws and internal policies before monitoring, because if you're allowed to use employee monitoring software on your business computers depends on your location, on the country that you're operating. It depends on the privacy policies under which you're operating, and it depends on the use case. Yeah, on the use case, because there might be some test that you would like to do. You inform all the employees. If the employees are informed and they know, and you both are testing and evaluating something, yeah. So please take legal advice. I don't know. Um, we do not give legal advice. This is just poor technical video. I show you how you will be able to discreetly see the live computer screens of the business computers. And so let's jump into the video. How do you do that? How can you see in all the live computer screens in your company without, so to speak, discreetly? So without the user noticing anything about it or seeing any pop-up or anything. Yeah? And the answer is you install a software called Wolfeye. You can download it from wolfeye.co. Yeah? And I will show it to you in a moment. But first, I give you what you will get. What you will get is the following. You install a small piece of software on your company computers. Let's say you have 5. On each of the computers, you install a small piece of software. And after you install it, you receive a link to your dashboard like this. This is the demo dashboard. So a link to the dashboard means you will be able to open and access the information from any browser, from any remote computer, or even from your smartphone. Okay, so this is the dashboard for Wolfeye, and you enter your password. This is a demo dashboard. That's why the password is displayed, so you could visit the website and do access by yourself. You enter, and you will see on the dashboard of Wolfeye all the computer live screens as if you were sitting in front of them by yourself. Yeah, all the computer live screens. So this is a demo dashboard. That's why you see these pictures here. But in reality, you will see the live screens of those particular computer. And you could even take a closer look. Yeah, you could even take a closer look at each of the computers by right mouse clicking on this link that says live. For example, this one, you right mouse click, open in a new tab, and we'll be able to see that particular computer, the live screen of that particular computer. Again, this is a demo dashboard. That's why you only see this picture here, but in reality, you will see the live screen. And also, if you wanted, you could enable screenshot history. That would save a screenshot every 5 minutes. And you could see the screenshot history here by right mouse clicking for this computer, right mouse click this link that says history, open in a new tab. And again, these are dummy pictures, but in reality, you will see every 5 minutes a picture saved. And you see the screenshot history to know what has been done throughout the day, so to speak. So that's